In this part, we are supposed to find the x-coordinates of the stationary points of the curve C, which is given to me in this implicit form. So the first thing that we need to do is to find dy dx. So differentiating this, it will be 2y of dy dx. And differentiating this, we are going to make use of the product rule. So it is going to be minus 2x differentiating y, it will give me a dy dx. Minus 2 multiplied by differentiation of x is going to give me 1. So minus 2 times 1, then y remain the same. Differentiating this, it is going to give me a 10x. This will give me a 0, and it is equal to 0. I'm going to try to make dy dx the subject. So grouping this and this together, what we will have is a 2y of dy dx minus 2x dy dx. This, I'm going to shift it over to the right hand side. So this is 2y minus away 10x. Dividing throughout by 2, we will have a y of dy dx minus x of dy dx is going to be equal to y minus 5x. So now we can make dy dx the subject. This is going to be equal to y minus 5x divided by y minus x. And since we are discussing about stationary point of the curve C, that means I'm going to let dy dx be equal to 0. Letting dy dx be equal to 0, that means y minus 5x divided by y minus x here is going to be equal to 0, which means that y minus x should be equal to 0. This tells me that y is equal to 5x whenever dy dx is equal to 0. That means at stationary point, y must be equal to 5x. I'm going to call this equation number 2, and this equation here, I will call it equation number 1. By solving these two equations, we should be able to find the x-coordinates of the stationary point. So let's give it a try. I'm going to substitute this equation number 2 into equation number 1. So by doing so, what I'll be getting is a 5x squared minus 2x times y, which is going to be replaced by 5x, then plus 5x squared minus 10, this is equal to 0. So what I will have now is going to be a 25x squared minus 10x squared plus 5x squared minus 10 is equal to 0, which means that we will have a 20x squared is equal to 10, and x squared is going to be equal to 1 over 2. This tells us that x is going to be plus or minus square root of 1 over 2. And this is going to be the x-coordinates of the stationary points of the curve C.